All right, everyone, I've got another sample. This is the third or fourth sample I've tried of this product that I've been working on. I posted my original video last week. So I think I've nailed down how I'm marketing this. I'm creating a whole new category for hairstylers, a whole new category that I think is gonna be amazing. So this is what it looks like. Let's get up close. The smell is literally incredible. You can't even get a better smell than this, okay? So the goal of this was I want something that scoops easily. It's got a little bit of dry texture to it in a sense, rubs through the hands very efficiently, but it really is amazing for styling. A lot of volume, a lot of texture and pliability, and it's got good ingredients in it. And no, I'm not focusing on having 3 ingredients. It needs to have certain ingredients for it to be stabilized and have preservatives, but this is the goal of it, right? And the last couple of samples, the first one, if you watched my video from a week or two ago, it was the most incredible pliability and volume I've ever seen, but it was so oily, right, and greasy. If you have fine hair and you put this on, it would be a grease pot. So here we go with the scoop. So I'll get nice and close so you all can see this. So the scoop here, I want something really creamy, or not creamy, no, not creamy, easy to scoop. So there it is, okay. A little pressure. You need a little pressure to scoop it, but it scoops out. Nice, all right. Now, here's the hand, and this is the first thing I'm looking for, how it breaks down. So it's breaking down, okay. Works through the hands very nicely. Okay, good. I'm liking that. Now I'm actually gonna take a little bit more, to be honest with you. I wanna do a little bit of a larger scoop. There we go. All right, so got a larger scoop in there. I wanna work it through the hand so it works through really easily. There we go, I can feel a little bit of grit to it, like a little bit of texture and grit. There it is, make sure you get it all the way through the hands, and let's see what we got here. Oh man. This could be it, ladies and gentlemen. Let's see, I'm working it through the hands. Now what I'm looking to see what it's doing to the hair, how it's reacting in the hair, the kind of shape and pliability it's giving. And the first one, like I mentioned, was way too oily. This is gone. So I want this to make the hair look and feel like it's healthy. I don't want to have like a drying, like it's so matte that it basically makes the hair feel like really, really dry. I do want to make sure there is some pliability and there's some volume in it. Boy, look at how it's building the volume. Look at this. Really, really incredible. So that is what I'm looking for. I'm looking for that foundational base that whatever I do, I'm able to go back in and restyle and have a good solid hold. Like this is probably, in my opinion, and being a hairstylist for so many years and having so many products, I've never seen a product be able to just mold itself instantly. Like I can go like this and it works over this way. I can go like this and it works over this way. I can bring it down, I can bring it up like that. I can literally just take piece by piece and mold this. And wow. Friends, I think I hit a home run. Let me try this on, let me get a longer hair mannequin and see how this works. I'm gonna scoop out pretty much the same amount. Again, you do have to dig a little bit of digging. It's not, it could be that it's just a little bit cold, but you have to scoop it a little bit. So everybody, I don't know what happened. My mic cut off, so I'm doing a voiceover. So you have to just scoop a decent amount. And I took a little more this time than the last scoop, so I'm working it through, and you do feel a little bit of the product. There is a little bit of light grit to it, which is totally expected considering the ingredients used. That's what I'm looking for. So I'm working it through the hands, make sure it's pretty thoroughly worked through, and I'm just looking for certain things. And now I'm going to apply it on longer hair, you can see. All right, so here we go. I'm building this in, working this in, and the results, I know, unfortunately, the mic cut off, and you can't hear me real time, but I am blown. Look at that shape and the volume. Now, what's crazy about this, and this is what's mind-blowing to me, is that the volume, the pliability, the texture builds on itself and does not go away. I've never used, even some of my other stuff, never used a product or even have a product that creates so much structure and support and volume. It doesn't add any shine to the hair. It makes the hair look healthy. I mean, this is a one-of-a-kind product. And the one thing I do want to note, a lot of you say, oh, all the morons who make these comments, oh, use it on your hair, or how would you know? Dude, I've been cutting hair longer than you've been alive. I've worked on thousands of clients, models, celebrities, like the list goes on and on. This is how I'm testing a hair product as a real professional. You're buying products from people, not me, but you're buying products from people who can't even give you a haircut. It's like asking someone to give you advice on heart surgery who's never done a friggin' heart surgery before. That's how you're lured into and brainwashed. So I'm testing this product real time, and look at the results. I mean, it's building upon itself, creating the volume, creating the shape, creating the texture, and it's not going away. Like, this is something that is literally like, look at this. And I'm just gonna let you watch and look, even that. But it doesn't make the hair feel stiff. Doesn't make the hair feel greasy. Doesn't make the hair feel like, I mean, look at that. A true perfect finish. It's not like matte where it dries your hair. It's not shiny where it's oily or greasy. It's the perfect finish. And look at that volume right there. Typically, to get this type of volume, you have to use like so many products. I mean, but look at that. And yes, this product does serve its purpose, right? This serves its purpose. If you like using styling, like a styler like this, then you're going to be good to go. But it's the most workable product I've ever used. I can't believe it. I honestly cannot believe the results of how good this looks.